Grass creeping into your flower beds is the worst, right? Like, it totally messes up your garden vibe and makes everything look messy. So, first off, you gotta set up some solid physical edging barriers around your flower beds. Think plastic, metal, or stone edging that stops grass roots from sneaking in. Next, make trimming the edges part of your regular yard routine. Don't wait until it's wild and out of control. If you use a string trimmer, keep it angled away from your flowers to avoid damage. Mulching is also clutch because it keeps weeds down and makes it harder for grass to invade. When planting, leave a little gap between your grass and flower bed so you can easily see where to trim. If you spot any grass starting to grow inside the beds, pull it out as soon as possible before it spreads. Oh, and watering smart helps too. Try to water just your flowers and not the grass edges so the grass doesn't get extra thirsty and strong. Lastly, consider adding a layer of landscape fabric under your mulch for an extra barrier against grass. One of the biggest mistakes people make with grass invading flower beds is not having any edging at all, which lets the grass run wild and take over. Fix that by installing a proper edge barrier like plastic or metal strips. Another common issue is skipping regular trimming, which means the grass gets out of control fast. Set a schedule to trim edges weekly or bi-weekly. The third problem is overwatering, or watering in a way that encourages grass growth near beds. Make sure you water only your plants and not the grass edges, so the grass does not get an unfair advantage. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searches or sketchy reviews. It also hooks up contractors with real people looking for work, making sure everyone wins with less hassle and more trust.